Hey, what's up? My name is Robe, and today I'm gonna walk you through on how to play Joromi, Simi. This song is only 4 chords. It's very simple. So if you're a beginner, you should be able to play this song after you're done with this tutorial. Well, as always, if you have a song that you want me to do a tutorial on, just feel free to let me know in the comment area. If you learn from this tutorial, give me a thumbs up. It really helps with the ranking of these videos. And if you haven't subscribed to the channel, make sure you subscribe so that you don't miss out on any future tutorials. So guys, without wasting any more time, let's kick off right after this. This song is in the key of D, and the progression is 6, 2, 3, and back to 6. 6, 2, 3, and 6. So the 6 is a B minor chord, the 2 is an E minor chord, and the 3 is a F sharp minor chord, and then you play the B minor chord again. So the B minor chord I'm barring with my first finger string. I am actually barring the second fret, barring string 1 to 5. My middle finger on string number 2, 3rd fret. My ring finger string number 4 on the 4th fret, and my small finger string number 3 on the 4th fret. That's B minor chord. Then the 2 will be an E minor chord. So I'm just sliding the B minor until where my pointer finger is on the 7th fret. So ideally it's on the 7th fret, barring string 1 to 5 with my pointer finger, and then on the 8th fret my middle finger is on the 2nd string, fret number 8. My ring finger string number 4, on the 10th fret, and finally my small finger is on the 3rd string, 10th fret, E minor chord. Then this other chord is a F sharp minor chord. So I am using my pointer finger to bar string 1, 2, and 3 with the tip of my pointer finger, and then my ring finger plays string number 4, but on the 4th fret. So that's a minor chord, F sharp minor chord. So you can either play it from here, or you can play a bar chord form. So if you're barring, your pointer finger will bar the 2nd fret, barring string 1 all the way to 6, and then your ring finger will be on the 5th string, fret 4, and your small finger on the 4th string, fret number 4. So those are the chords that comprise the progression of this song. So you start off with the B minor, E minor, F sharp minor, back to B minor. So that's you can use that strumming pattern. Down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up. So you can also use this B minor chord, this E minor, and F sharp minor chord. So that's it for this tutorial. The song is just as simple as that. Well, if you have a song that you want me to do a tutorial on, just let me know at the comment area. And if you learn from this tutorial, just give me that thumbs up. It will really push these videos, and I would really appreciate if you did so. And if you're new to the channel, make sure you subscribe so that you don't miss out on any future tutorials. So guys, with that, let's see each other on the next one.